Hola! Today we're bringing you a Spanish classic for breakfast, which is delicious, and we normally have it outside. Guess what it is? It's churros, everyone's favorite. So let's get ready. All the ingredients are in the description. Now first of all, I'm gonna grab a glass of water and I'm gonna bring it to the boil. Once it's very hot, boiling indeed, I'm going to throw in the butter and I'm gonna let it melt. Once it's melting, I'm gonna bring it to a medium fire and I'm gonna pour the same amount of flour, same amount as water, and then I mix it all together. Now this is a little bit optional, but still it gives it a nice touch. I'm adding some sugar and then I'm adding a little bit of cinnamon. And I forgot to add a pinch of salt, but you'll see me adding it later. I mix again. And now I'm adding an egg, and later on I'll add the second egg. And I mix it. And yeah, that's what I had forgotten about previously, my pinch of salt. And then mixing everything together, kneading it. Now you get your bowl here ready. Now here we have olive oil, and this is our syringe. You have a piping bag, yeah, anything works. Now one by one, we're putting them in the hot olive oil, cutting them, making sure they're not close to each other. We don't want them to get stuck. And this is the shape I'm giving, which is the easiest one, but you can make it like a ribbon like we do in Madrid. Now turn them around after a minute or so whenever you see them brown, and then it's time to take them out. Have enough of these kitchen towels to absorb the excess olive oil. And now this is the little trick. We're gonna mix a little bit of cinnamon with the sugar. Why? Because we love sugary things and we love sweet stuff like the hot chocolate, which goes delicious, especially if it's extra thick Spanish hot chocolate. So here is this gorgeous plate of churros that I have ready to tuck in. Moment of truth. We dip it in chocolate, but I'm dipping it in this sugar with cinnamon. Oh, it's magical. Amazing. So remember, if you like this video and you want us to bring on some new content, please just write it down in the comments. What do you want us to cook next? Please don't forget to subscribe, that'll help us loads. And please smash the like button. Buen provecho. Enjoy. Adios.